Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue Teams Official Channel. Today I'm CHHUOY again and I will teach you how to fix any errors on the game that is called DLL missing. So now I'm gonna show you the screens appearing like that. It look like this. It means live DLL missing. So that is a problem. And the problem is because of it happened to all Windows version, Windows 1, Windows 8, Windows 9, Windows 10 and more, especially in the old games. So to fix it you need to have some tool that like this. One is we call it Demon Tool Pro 6 and RPG all version and all run times. So you need 3 things to gonna fix that. And now I'm gonna show you step by step. Now the first you need to open the Demon Tool Pro and install it like this. Double click on that and the installing will appearing, and I recommend you to disable antivirus just like this if you have antivirus, because sometimes it causes you a stuck when you open it. So you don't need to use antivirus, and the file is safe but it look like a virus too. Now click on that and you have to choose this trial license here and click here and install it now. And you need to install this one also, and you make sure that you have connect to the internet, or if you don't want to use this as a gadget you can click don't install. And now uncheck this and then click finish. And now go to cracks here and copy this one that call SIM here, and go to your C drive and find the soft that called Demon Tool Pro and then pass it inside this folder here just like that. And now click on the registration entry here and click yes. And now you have already successful cracked this one. And the step 2, you need to install all series of RPG version here. Among those also have a Windows XP also, because some game they have created for the Windows XP and the new Windows will not support it. So you need to install it this 4 options one by one and then click it like that. And it is for an Acer computer, so you need to install it too. Okay, install. And now you're gonna close this for a while and waiting everything is complete. Okay, now we already installed number 2, and here is the number 4, so you need to install it one by one, because the computer, they need requirements to run some old application games. In this folder we have 2 files, so you need to install 2 of them, and this one also, RPG 2003, and you need one more file that called RPG, and you can download it on the internet. And the last one is all runtimes, all in one runtimes. So you need to click on that. It is about 300 megabytes, so you need to install it. If you don't install it, the game still not working, because some old game, they have different runtime with the new version Windows, especially the Windows 1, Windows X, Windows 9, and Windows 10. So old game is created with the Windows XP or Windows 9 TX, Windows Me, etc. So this place, you need to select all of this, to tick all of these things, and then click install. And wait for a while, because sometimes it take longer to install. Sometimes it take longer time to install all of this. Okay, you need to install it and waiting it for a while, and make sure that you have a Java runtime environment is installing. It looks like you don't see something, but in fact it is installing. And you need one more program software that is called RPG, and you need to download this software everywhere that you can find it on Google search, just like that, and you're gonna find the RPG. Okay, now the installer is still installing, and you have to see this. All of them are about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here is 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have 5 now. In total we have 6 of the software, so you have to wait for it. And you need one more thing that called RPG 2000, like this, or and you have to download that's called RPG runtime. That this one may be this website, and to make it support, and you will see the download here. Okay, now we're gonna close it for a while and download free trial. So you need to download these files. You have to download it, or you can download RPG Maker just like this MV version, and it takes about 1 gigabyte. Yes, it takes about 800 megabytes, so you need to download it. And now you have almost installed all of these things. It's almost done now, so you have to wait it, you have to see it step by step, one by one. In totally we have the ones of checking box here, so you need to wait it to complete this step one by one. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is the last one here. Okay, you have to wait about it because sometimes it takes about 10 minutes to complete that. And make sure that you don't close anything when it is installing or loading. And you have to be patient to watch this video, to watch this complete video and see everything is loading like this, like Windows system. You have to wait it, you have to see it like this. It is a waiting time. And it is loading, and make sure that your internet connection is working. And now I'm gonna drag it to this different part to make it easy to watch. And this part is the connecting to internet, and they need some additional software that is with the RPG. So you have to wait it to download it. When you see something like this, it means you still downloading or still installing. And now it's gonna load to more Microsoft Visual J# here. This is the part that requirement have already installed, but here is the other runtime that will be installed. That's called Microsoft Visual, which is hubs here, and this one is installed now. Adobe Plus Player X2X. When you use this file, it means you are connecting to the internet, and they will download and installing every requirement files to your PC. For example, like this, like every game runtimes, every game support. Okay, when you see this, it means you already install it with this software. And now you have to install one more thing that called RPG Maker. So you need to download it and install it. Now, but I'm not yet installing it, but I want to test the game first, that it is running or not. If we didn't install it, and now we should test it and make sure that you have to install it to get it works. That called RPG setup here, and now I'm gonna click on that. It's still missing, and you have to restart your PC also. And now I'm gonna download that file.